Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Discord audio to OBS 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to click on this plus icon. Under the sources, you have to click on plus icon. Then choose this one, audio application audio capture. Now you can name it Discord. Click on OK. Now you have to click on the window section and you'll find here Chrome extension. Again, I'm showing you. You can see at the Discord, right? Click on the Discord and make sure you are open the Discord in your Chrome browser. Okay, log into Discord in your Chrome browser, then you'll find it here. Then you have to click on OK. Then you can see that Discord has been added to your Discord to added your OBS. You can slide it, and you can slide it by making your sound less or more like this. You can slide it with this and you can use it right now. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.